have passed, right? And let's stop it. And here you have an every second you want to be schedule this run book every second. So every 5 second, every 30 second, every 15 second, you can pass here that custom number. And if you want to be execute every 5 minute, every hour, every 2 hour, every 3 hour, or every day to every 2 days, so you can specify here. And they're having an initialize within hour and trigger immediately. You want to be execute immediately once you have finished. There is a set use or not, this won't be in take care about it, right? So this will execute first and then it will wait for 5 minutes, whatever you will slide specify, right? And if you want to be execute whatever slide you will specify here, then this will wait for that, right? So I want to be executed immediately, so you can select this one. So I want to select every 5 second or 6 seconds, so let's keep 6 and finish it and make changes here and run it. Now you can see here in log history there is a two log detail and it will be execute continuously here. Now you can see first one and it will come next after 6 seconds. Now you can see second one. So it will execute continuously in every 6 seconds. And you can schedule also minute, hour and days. Using this activity, you can schedule your run book as per this option. So let's stop it, and we have another activity that is a check schedule, right? Check schedule is used to test or check, or you can say verify your run book run its schedule time. So let's what is the difference between in this activity. When you click on it, now you can see there is an limitation to select and days and date. So you don't have an option here. So if you want to be schedule like that, if you want to execute your every Sunday only, this won't be, I won't be execute this on other day. So you don't have an option to be scheduled like that, right? So for that, what you have to do, let me create new one book, new, and let's rename it and properties, and this my check schedule. Logging, I want to select only this one, activity related publish data I want to only. So just select and here drag and drop and double click on it. Now you can see you have to be selected schedule template. What is the schedule template? And the schedule template is that in which you will specify your schedule, right? So you have to be created different. Now when you click on this three dot, now you can see there is no schedules template is available. For that, what you have to do, you have to create it. Now you can see in a global setting you have a schedules section. Right click on it, new, and schedule, and here you can name it like task tab schedule. Okay, and here you have a detail option. Now you can see these are the options that you can use to control or make it schedule. And if you want to be a execute your run book every Thursday, you don't want to be execute another day, you have to be uncheck this, right? So now you can see I'm going to uncheck this will execute only this day every week of month. We are having an occurrence you can consider first week, second week, third week, fourth week, last week. In some month you will find 5, but here actually what is the meaning of it occurrence. So here whatever day you will select, here is the meanings. You want to be execute this run book first Thursday of month or second Thursday of month and third Thursday of month and fourth Thursday of month or last Thursday of month. So this is the meaning of it. So in every month you will find this fourth occurrence on fifth occurrence in your month of these days, right? And if you want to be select these days of month, you can select of days of month and hours. So if you don't want to be execute on Thursday, I have selected I don't want to execute on a some interval. Now you can see this is your hour, right? So I don't want to be execute between this schedule, so I have to deny it here. So this won't be execute on a Friday. If you want to execute Thursday, so this won't be execute on this day in this slide, right? So you can deny it. You have a permitted option. So such kind of a control you can make it. Let's come back. I want to be execute only these days. On the basis of days, I want to be execute and finish it and check in, run it. Just wait for here. So refresh it. Yeah. And why this was failed, now you can see status, because I have not selected that. Now let's come back. You have to select your schedule, right? Finish it and make changes, save and run it. Refresh. Now successful. Here you have to double click on it. Let's see, they're having some published data. Now you can see conform to schedule. Through this you can identify, is there any schedule for today's or this time. So you can identify through this parameter. You will find two values, true and false. True means there is a schedule for 2 days, right? For this time. And if you find false means there is no schedules. So through that you can identify.